Hello, dear student. How are you? Dear student, today I am present in front of you with a new topic. Watching here sports participations of women in India. So, dear student, it is a very important topic that today sport participation of women in India. What is the conditions of women in sports? You have to read today about that. So, you know that women participation in sports has a long history. It has been understood that man is for market and women is for home and family. It is a history marked by the division and discrimination, but also one filled with a major accomplishment by female athletes. Women were often perceived as being too weak for sports activities, and it was often argued in the past that sport was harmful to women's health, particularly their reproductive health. In ancient Olympic Games, women were not allowed to participate, but in modern Olympic Games, female has been active members except in first modern Olympic Games in 1896. In 1916, the Amateur Athletic Union conducted its first Women World Championship at London. Later, International Olympic Committee (IOC) design and altered the rules of regulations of various games to increase the participation of female athletes. Thus, the categories of female and male are separate for all games and sports. So, distant today, the modern society has accepted the women's participation in sports competitions, and it has risen to a great extent as compared in the past. Modern clinical studies have proved that physical activities have benefited the health of women, and it has also benefited the society to a great extent. Today the battle of the equality between men and women sports rages on. According to IOC data, the women participation of London Olympic Games has risen to 41% of all athletes. In Rio Olympic Games 2016, it rose to 45.2% of all athletes. So, this trend of women participation in sports has also improved in Indian society, and thus the women participation in sports has increased today. So, currently, sports for women represent fast growing, changing elements in Indian cultures, and recent trend have sparked a need for the knowledge about the female sports. So, female sports participation in urban areas, female participation in sports is high, whereas it is less in rural areas. Indian society should increase their participation. Moreover, government should form the policies to improve their participation. So, it is a duty for every citizen of India that they have to motivate to the women for participating in sports. So today Indian society has recognized many of Indian sports women which are playing the role model, and they are changing trend of women participation in games and sports. Some of the top women athletes from India who have proved their sports ability at international arena are just like this you are watching here. First of all, PV Sindhu. She is the great player. She is great player of badminton, and she also got silver medal in Rio Olympic 2016. Now you are watching that PT Usha, athletic player. She is also won many medals in state level, national level, international level. Saina Nehwal, badminton player. She is also very great player of badminton. Just like you are watching here. Sakshi Malik, wrestler. So you are watching that Sakshi Malik. She also the player of wrestling, and she also won the medal in Rio Olympic. Mary Kom, world champions in boxing. So all of you know about watching this. She is belong from the Manipur, and now you are watching here Sania Mirza, tennis player. So lawn tennis, she is a good player of lawn tennis. Chuala Gatta, badminton player. She is also given the great effort for badminton. Hima Das, athletic player, 400-meter runner. So she belong also from the Assam. So dear student, today there are the many women's, they are going ahead in sports, and they are participating, and they are inspiration for others sport persons for women. So you can also try and participate in different games. So today this topic I have taught you sport participation of women in India. So there are the many more players of women players in sports. Just like this, you are watching Mary Kom, PT Usha, Saina Nehwal, PB Sindhu, Sakshi Malik, Anju Baby George, Anjali Bhagwat, Sania Mirza, K. Binamol, Geeta Jakhad, Karnam Malleshwari, Kunju Rani Devi, Jwala Gupta, Dola Banerjee, Manjeet Kaur, Neelam, Jay Singh, and many more other players also. So I think that you have understood something about the sport participation of women in India. So it is a main role of the for the motivation of women in sports. The main role of the parents and teachers also. So we should give the full chance to participate in games for women also. In this way, we can also improve the condition of sports of women in India. Okay, thank you dear student. Now we will soon meet with a new topic. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.